Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mr. Rayman, ICT teacher running IGCSE in Sudan. Today I'm going to create a table answering question number 16 and past paper 21. This question you have to create a label, but before you create a label, you should answer the question. Show only records where company name contains Tawara. So to answer this question, you should create query first, and you're going to do criteria for this part, and then sort into ascending order of company, and then the other part for the label, arrange the two columns. The table will be 2 columns, 4 rows, 8 labels to the page with the page to portrait orientation. This is as example that the size will be given 99 millimeters multiplied by 67.7 millimeters. Right? There is fields, specific fields should be added. Not the all fields should be added in the label. There is company name and address 1, address 2, town, postal code, and telephone within the same order, and each one in a separated line. Should be line by line. Yes, should be in separated lines. Include center line heading approved supplier should be in a large font at the top. At the end has your name, center number, candidate number on the bottom of each label. Let's go. طيب, after the 2 tables and after the relationship as well, you go to create and then query wizard. Simple query wizard. Choose from the, make sure that you select from the supplier. Choose all of them. Later on within the label you can decide which one in, which one out. And no need to move to next, just finished. Within the query, go to design view. Under the criteria of the company name, you should use the wildcard, which is a star, because the question asks you to show only records where the company name contains Tawara. So contain, that means star before and star after. So star before and star before. Make sure that you are going to write spelling correct. Lazim spelling 100% correct, and then you can test the wildcard within the criteria by run. Just leave. Table is working properly. Then go to create, then go to label. In this point you have to make sure that the query is being selected before you click on the label. That means the label is going to import the records from this query, not from other tables. Very important point. Then label, you can save the query, no problem. And then with the label here, you may decide to choose the dimensions that could be accepted for the question. And the question here, let's check the question again. For the question ask you, we need just only 2 columns. That will be correct. Example 99 multiplied by 67.7 is the dimensions of the label. Actually, you can't use this one. Yes, the same example we have in front of you. But make sure to choose metric, not inches with the English. So you should select metric first if the computer does not support the UK system. Choose English, very important. Make sure that metric is applied. And then next, like nothing here, and then next. Here the area that you are going to build the label, and actually here the label, all the things related to the label is going to be here. I hit the label wizard. هنا كل الحاجات, all things, all the stuff designed for the label here. So make sure that you are going to put all things here in this area. First of all, let's start with the question first. Like what? Like the question here ask you approved supplier should be added at the top. Approved supplier should be added at the top. So here we are going to put approved supplier to be added title. Later on we are going to make it bold or a large size or large font. But now very important, after approved supplier I'm going to add the fields here in the label. Let's check the question. Maybe the question asks you to add the name of the field as well. Show only fields name, company name, address 1, address 2, town, postal code, and telephone order in the separated line. Here now, question directly to add the fields only, not the name of the field. If the question asks you to add the name of the field, then you have to write the company name of the field one by one, and then you add them underscore name. But here now question did not mention that point, so no need to write the fields. I'm going just to select the name of the fields. So we're going to select the fields directly from the fields available from this area. Let's click on the fields. The first one got the field name, company name. Add the company name. To apply that to be in a separated line, to be in the next line, just enter. Press enter on the keyboard. Then address one, add it as well, and then enter on the keyboard. Same things. And address 2, add it, and then enter, add it, and then town you have, add it as well, and then enter. Postal code, add it, and then enter, and then enter. Postal code, add it, and then enter, and then you have telephone line, and then enter. Prefer in the kit to add your name at the end. So candidate name should be done here. Candidate number, all details. Candidate name, candidate number, 1, 2, 3, 4, center number should be added as well. Candidate number, center number, SD, start with normally SD 00001, however you add the center number, and then comma, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, this should be done. And then next, now we have here which field would you like to be sorted. Let's go to the question and check. Yes, has been mentioned in the, have we mentioned the question before? Gal are sorted into ascending order of company name. Ascending order of company name. Check the question again. Company name to be ascending order, and then will be sorted. You can do it from here, and there is another place you can do it. If you decide to use it from here, okay. But if you have two sorting, so you have to do it from the design view. I'm going to do it from the design view as well. And then next, nothing here, and then finish. Don't worry, from the beginning, the labels looks like not proper, but it's not that the big issue, don't worry. For this label, we can do something else. We can arrange the space, remove the space here, and then we still the question in place. By clicking on the design view, let's a little bit remove the space. Make the size a little bit large as the question, bold and large size. Be bold and then a little bit large size than other. Space هنا برضو عشان to be clearly visible. Then let's check the label here now by print preview. Yes, acceptable. Supplier had their name at the left of the bottom of each label. Completely done. Not yet, not finished. There is the sorting should be added. Design view again. Click on group and sort to apply the ascending order of company name. Very important here, group and sort. Group and sort. Don't click on the group. Never ever click to add group. You should click on the add sort, because usually the examiner mentioned will like no grouping. This here no grouping, don't click on the group as well. At all, don't click on the group. Type. The question girl is the company name to be ascending order. Click on the company name. After you click on the company name, so you have another option here to choose the type of sort. يعني sort with A on top, that means انه هيكون ascending. If the question asks you descending, you are going to choose Z on top. But now the question asks you to ascending order, so keep it A on top. Is the order. Check again, save it, and then print review. Yeah, the question being done, it just print it out. There is record. We didn't add the record, we just skip one of the questions, so that's why we have one of the label missed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you add the record, then the label will be displayed here. No problem for that. That's clear. This is the lesson, especially how to create a label. After you're done with the print preview, you can press print out and choose your printer, and then okay, and raise up your hand. For the examiner, he's going to hand the paper to you. Thank you very much. Share the video, very important. You can press like, please. Subscribe as well. عشان if there is another videos ممكن يكون عندنا فيديو جديد، اعمل لنا سبسكرايب، تابع طوالي for the next days ان شاء الله. اي حاجات مهمه. اذا عايز اي lesson انت حاجه ما فاهمها بليز اكتبها لي في الكومنتس تحت. I'm going to explain it for you. Thank you very much.